Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up and use the web clipper to save content directly to your workspace. First, head over to the web clipper website where you'll find the browser extension that matches whichever browser you're using. If you haven't installed it yet, just click this button to add the extension to your browser. Once installed, you can click the extension icon whenever you want to save a page. When the menu opens, you'll see an Add To option where you can choose your destination. Here's where you pick the specific database or page where you'd like this content to live. After you've made your selection, simply click Save Page to complete the process. That's all there is to it. Your clipped content is now stored in the location you selected and ready to access whenever you need it. You're all set. You now know how to quickly save web content to your workspace using the web clipper. Feel free to run through this again anytime.